He is speaking on the contribution of Alvars in Vaishnavism.
Very good afternoon, one and all. It is very great pleasure stand before you because it is a grateful achievement organizing by the organizing committee member. So this kind of the conference or seminar, we need the present situation because we cannot split in the spirituality and the science. So without spirituality, we cannot make any science because each and every spiritual movement we kept in the science. So therefore, in this regarding, first of all, I thanks to all the organizing committee member. I am also thanks to the resource person, the chairperson of the session. I am Dr. Thanigaivelan Shanmugam, Assistant Professor of Philosophy, Annamalai University, Tamil Nadu. So I am going to present a paper on the contribution of Alvars to the Vaishnavism. So we must know very well Vaishnavism. Vaishnavism is one of the Hindu traditional trust. It is the main reality or ultimate reality of the God is Vishnu. So in the period of Bhakti movement, it will start. It was started from the 7th, 8th century. So at the time of the two esteemed religious sector, I mean the in Hinduism, one is Vaishnavism and other one is Shaivism. Vaishnavism is the supreme reality is Vishnu and Shaivism is the supreme reality of Lord Shiva. On this occasion, the spiritual movement developed by in the both the sector. It's 12 Alvars and 63 Nayanmars. So in this occasion, my paper is going to present the contribution of Alvars. We must know who is Alvars. So Alvars, they are in the Tamil poet and they are in the great revolutionist form of the spiritual movement in Tamil Nadu. So there are 12 Alvars in Tamil Nadu. They are belonging to develop the spiritual movement or Bhakti movement at the time of beginning from the 6th century to the 10th century. It is very strongly in that. So therefore, Vaishnavism is regard to the Vishnu is the ultimate reality and wish to give to the Sri Narayana. So the term Sri Narayana found by the particularly in the Tamil literature, which means by the Alvars. By the Alvars. The new way go to the who is Alvars. Who is Alvars? Because in the tradition of the modern schools of the Vaishnavism is Ramanuja, Madhva, Nimbagara, Vallabha and Chaitanya. They are treated as developing for the spiritual morality. So why we need the Bhakti movement? So what is the nature of Bhakti movement? So why the particular concept of Bhakti movement or spiritual movement or religious movement need those days? So because it is controlling by the violation, controlling by the speech and relevance. It is go through the to make the ethical perspective, moralical approaches and peace. So therefore the Bhakti movement in not only for the particular religion, it is every religion it comes to. In particularly in Hinduism like Shaivism and Vaishnavism, that movement it be started very strongly. So therefore Alvar is the more contribution to develop the Bhakti movement of Vaishnavism. So in that in Tamil history, the time of the Bhakti movement of the hymns of the worship Lord Vishnu is the one of the incarnation avataras. So each and every Alvars to promote through the hymns or through the poet. Through this, it is a devotional song. It is a devotional. Each and every song is which is called a devotional song, and this time it can be developed to the form of the spirituality movement in the Divya-Dyasa. There are 108 Divya-Dyasas. You see, each and every Divya-Dyasas, it is treated as the supreme reality of the God of Vishnu. So, particularly, there are 105 Divya-Dyasa in the Indian nation, and one is the Nepal, and other is it is Tirupar-Kadal. It is and the final one is the Vaikundam. So then Tirupar-Kadal and Vaikundam, it's a beyond our. It is a metaphysical consequence. It's a metaphysical. Those who are to know about it, it is a self-surrender, prabhakti marga. It is the ultimate aim of the all these 12 Alvars. They are surrendering for the Lord Vishnu. So this is the ultimate reality of the those things. So even particularly for Tamil Nadu is the 84 of the Divya-Dyasa. It is because why I am telling means just you think about how the Alvars are contributed to the Vaishnavas, because 84 of the Vaishnava temple, that is a Divya-Dyasa in. So remaining for in that Kerala is 11 and Andhra Pradesh 2 and Gujarat is 1, Uttar Pradesh 4 and Uttarakhand is 3. So because why I am telling means the majority of the Vaishnava temple, everything in the Tamil Nadu. So because of Alvars, because that is the movement of the Alvars. So this is it. And thus all were composing for the poet or the aims or in the devotional song, the collection of song which is called Nalayana Divya Prabandham. So it is a wonderful performance work by the Alvars. So there are this 12 Alvars collection of these poet or spiritual song or devotional song which is called Nalayana Divya Prabandham. So each and every Alvars contributing for the, it is a level of a spiritual song like that. It is so that Nalayana Divya Prabandham, it is one of the major anthologies of the poet of the Alvars. Alvars and devotee of the Vishnu. There are 4,000. There are 4,000 Tamil composed by the 12 Alvars. So these 12 Alvars, it is based on that poet. That poet, I mean that a devotional song to develop or develop the ultimate reality of attainment of the Vishnu. So what is the reality? It's a self-surrender. Prabhakti marga is each and every alvar to promote the that kind of thing. So in the term alvar, which means all. So all means it is a rule. It is inside the Atman. It's inside. Impress oneself. Impress oneself. It is all. So therefore, each and every alvar to impressing for the Lord Vishnu. So there are simply they are called saint. It's a Tamil saint. Each and every alvars embodiment of the Vishnu at the time of the Bhakti movement. So why the Alvars treated as the more important in the Bhakti movement. So in Alvars in the emphasizing for the Bhakti movement gave to the Bhagavad Purana. So that Bhagavad Purana is one of the great achievement of the form of Hinduism, in particularly Vaishnavism, because so those time it is some of the needed for the spiritual attitude. So therefore it is a movement is developed by the that also in particular in Tamil Nadu. So each alvar composed hymns of the it is known as the Sparusuram. It's a Sparusuram. Each and every that collection of the poet or and that Nalayana Divya Prabandham which is called Parasuram. The complete Parasuram which is called Nalayana Divya Prabandham. It is a traditional of the Vedas. It's a Tamil Vedas of the Alvars. It's a Tamil Vedas of the. So these there are the 12 Poigai Alvars, Pudat Alvar, Pei Alvar, Tirumulai Alvar, Madarakavi Alvar, Namma Alvar, Kulasiyagara Alvar, Peri Alvar, Andal, Tondivatti Alvar, Tirpan Alvar, and Tirumangai Alvar. These are the 12 Alvars. This is Andal is the only one woman for the poet, and who married the Lord Vishnu also. It is a Lord Vishnu, because it is affection of the thing. So he wrote the thing. So now we go to the the Poigai Alvar, Bodat Alvar, and Pei Alvar. These are the Mudal Alvar. These three simply we called Mudal Alvars, because in that Poigai Alvar, it is a shell of the Panchaseva. In that he renowned, or he composing for the 100 version of the Lord Vishnu, and he is basically from the Kanchipuram. It's basically from the Kanchipuram. Tirumandira Alvar and Bodat Alvar. So he is also in that one of the saint and one of the Alvar in a Tamil tradition. Kaumodagai. It is something is a little bit understood for a very little bit understood, because Tamil text is there. Tamil text is and that Periyalvar. So Periyalvar, he is the one of the sword of the Nandakam. It is and the concept of Matwa Perumal Alaya. So who is there lived in the Matwa Perumal Alaya? It is nearby the Chennai Mailapur. So he is composing for the 1203. It is a very huge version he collected by the, and he is a Munparam Tiruvandi and a Tandiram Nandaga. So this is the work of his collection. Tirumalisai Alvar. So it is a Tirumalisai Alvar. He is one of the very peculiar form of the Alvars, because he wrote the different two type of the versions collection by he created by the 96 and 120 version collected by the Tirusandira Viruddham and Tirumandira Viruddham. So there are the two collection, and these poet or these collection of the work to prohibited by the self-surrendering method, and it is teaching or self-surrendering means he is always mantras teaching to the nearby the Vishnu. So and Madhura Kavi Alvar. So he is the work is the very Tirukoviyar. Tirukoviyar is one of the main thing, and he is the under the dynasty of the Pandya king in Tamil Nadu, Pandya king. So Vishnu and Lord Shiva is the temple found in the like Chera, Chola, Pandya. So all the kingdoms they are developing for the at the movement of the Bhakti movement. And Nammalvar is one of the greatable and notable person in that thing. It is, and he written more than 1352 versions. 1352 version. His version is classifying into 4 stages. It is a Tiruvai Mudi. It's a 1102. So Tiruvai Mudi. And Tirvidam 100 and Tiruvasiyam 7. Periya Tiruvasiyam 87. Totally 1352 version for he collected. And moreover, Kulasegar Alvar is a 9th century. He simply called them Perumal Taimori, the 105 versions of the Parasuram. So he is also his text which is called Vedic language. He is promoted. He written by both Tamil and even Sanskrit also. And Periyalvar. Periyalvar is the father of the Andal. So Periyalvar is the father of Andal. And at Steve he written by the 473 versions. So all these was to making the poet form of the devotional song. It is treated as it will because of to attainment of the end stage. That is and Andal. Andal is the one of the very familiar, because is Tirupavai is the more important. So there are 173 Tirupavai he devotional song. She is also not called Nachiyar, Kodai or Goda Devi. he is only for female Alvar. So just you think about, so at the time of 9th century, so how the female are treated as the equivalents of the all the Alvars in there. It is we can approaching in the feminist view means he is one of the very peculiar character, because he is always chanting the mantra before the Lord Vishnu. After that he is just foregrounding for the garland to the Lord Vishnu. Finally he got the married of Vishnu. So he is then Thunderpadi Alvar. Thunderpadi Alvar, he is one of the saint and he is one of the Alvar in the, he is Parsuram, or in the theme of the thing is very peculiar, because he is only for person from the Kundamudi Soshya Brahmaniti. So it is also called Vipra people are lived. So therefore it is his Parasuram or his devotional songs also to promote, or it is developing for the Vaishnava tradition. And Tirupana Alvar, Tirupalan Alvar is explaining for the Parasuram about the saffron of the cloth of the eyes and everything. So he is also presenting the mantras to the Lord Vishnu. And the final one, Tirumangai Alvar. The Tirumangai Alvars, he is totally composing the song of 1084. These 1084 song chanting the mantra of that particular. These collection of the totally 4000. So it's collected by the Nadamuni. That collection which is called Nalayara Divya Bandir. Nalayara means 4000 collection of the songs. These 4000 collection of songs to promoting the Bhakti movement because of only Vaishnavism. Thank you.